Top 5 Best Laptops for Work in 2025. Hey everyone, and welcome. We all know the modern workplace is anywhere, from a conference room to a coffee shop. And your laptop isn't just a tool, it's your most critical asset. If it's slow, your work is slow. Today, we're cutting through the noise and the endless specs to give you the definitive list. The top 5 best laptops for work in 2025. We're talking pure performance, all-day battery life, and the features that truly boost your productivity. Let's dive right in. Starting us off at number 5 is a legend in the business world, the quintessential workhorse, the Dell Precision 5690. This is not your average sleek Ultrabook. The Precision is the ultimate mobile workstation. If your job involves heavy lifting, things like CAD, video editing, complex data models, or running multiple virtual machines, this is your machine. It's built with powerful Intel Core Ultra or Xeon processors and discrete NVIDIA RTX graphics. Yes, it's premium and it's a little heavier, but you're buying peace of mind. For the engineer, the financial analyst, or the architect who needs uncompromised power on the go, the Dell Precision 5690 is an essential tool. It's the closest you can get to a desktop tower in a portable form. Moving to number 4, we have a laptop that represents the future of work. The Microsoft Surface Laptop 7. Snapdragon. This is Microsoft's flagship entry into the new era of Copilot Plus PCs. The key feature here is its powerful, incredibly efficient Snapdragon X Elite or Plus chip. This processor unlocks dedicated AI performance right on your device. Think instantaneous photo editing, real-time language translation, and the game-changing recall feature to instantly find anything you've ever seen on your PC. This efficiency also translates to phenomenal battery life. We're talking well into a second workday without a charge. If your workflow is cloud-based, collaborative, and you want to be at the forefront of AI integration, the Surface Laptop 7 is your choice. It's the best of Windows 11 combined with next-gen efficiency. Our third pick is for the executive who wants that premium, sophisticated look but needs to stick with Windows. The HP EliteBook Ultra G1i. This laptop is a strong contender to the MacBook Air, featuring an unbelievably sleek design and a compact, stunning OLED display. It's built with Intel's new efficient Core Ultra chips, delivering a perfect balance of speed and superb battery life. HP has focused heavily on collaboration here. You get excellent video conferencing tools, top-tier privacy features like an integrated webcam shutter, and a robust all-metal chassis that feels high-end. If you are a traveling professional who needs an elegant, durable, and highly secure Windows machine, the EliteBook Ultra is a winner. At number 2, we have the undisputed champion of the corporate IT department for decades, now better than ever, the Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Carbon Gen 13. The ThinkPad line is legendary for one reason: reliability. The X1 Carbon takes that legendary durability and wraps it in an incredibly thin, feather-light carbon fiber chassis. It's known for having the best keyboard in the entire laptop industry, a huge plus if you spend all day typing reports, code, or emails. But the real selling point is the enterprise-grade security and manageability. Its features are built for large organizations, making it the least likely to fail or be compromised. For the traditional professional who values a perfect keyboard, rock-solid reliability, and best-in-class security, the X1 Carbon Gen 13 remains the gold standard. And now, for the laptop that nearly every major review outlet agrees is the best overall work laptop of 2025, our number 1 pick, the Apple MacBook Air M4. Apple's M-series chips have fundamentally changed what a work laptop can be. The new M4 chip delivers incredible performance that can handle everything from intensive Excel sheets to 4K video editing, all while remaining completely fanless and silent. But the real magic is the battery life. You can genuinely work all day, every day without ever worrying about finding an outlet. Combine that with a stunning liquid retina display, the industry-leading build quality, and a thin and light form factor that is unmatched, and you have the complete package. Whether you're a student, an executive, or a creative, the M4 MacBook Air offers the best blend of raw power, portability, and all-day endurance. It is simply the benchmark that all other work laptops are measured against. So there you have it. Your top 5 laptops for work in 2025. The power of the Dell Precision, the AI future of the Surface Laptop 7, the style of the HP EliteBook Ultra, the reliability of the ThinkPad X1 Carbon, and the unbeatable all-around excellence of the MacBook Air M4. The right choice depends on your specific job, but any laptop on this list will instantly upgrade your productivity for the next few years. Now, if you're ready to take the next step and see a full comparison of current pricing and configurations for each of these models, thanks for tuning in, and here's to a more productive year.